Now I'll write the small. All of you look at the board. Fold your hands. Sit like this. Straight. Okay. Now I'll write small letters and you'll write the capital. Okay. Now which letter is this? Small what? Now come and write capital A here. Come. Very good. Right. Then which letter is this? Now write capital B. Good. Now write capital C. Okay, very good. So now start saying A, B, C, D. Clap for us. Okay, very good. Now start saying A, B, C, D. Wait, let me write. Slowly. D, then E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Now what comes after M? What comes after M? N. So today we'll do N. Capital N. Say capital N. Say capital N. Small n. Capital N. Small n. Right. Okay. So now tell me, what is this? Nose. Has everyone got a nose? How many nose? One? Okay. Now all of you touch your nose. Pull it. Acha. Now just see how long your nose is. This long? Yes? All of you measure your nose. See? This long nose you have got. Okay? But there is an animal who has got a long nose. Which animal is that? Elephant. Very good. Clap for her. Elephant has got a long nose. How long? Have you got a long nose? Yes. Have you all got a long nose? We have got this small nose. But elephant has got a long nose. And that long nose is called trunk. What is that nose called? Long nose? Trunk. So N for nose. N for nose. Okay, now see. N for nose. Read. N O S E. Nose. Okay? N for nose. Right. Now what is this? Neck. Neck. All of you touch your neck. Neck. Right? N for neck. N for neck. Right. Now see, N for neck. Now what is this? Neck. N E C K. N for nose. N for nose. N for neck. N for neck. N for nose. N for nose. N for neck. N for neck. Okay, now what is this? Show, all of you show your fingers. Fingers. At the tip of the finger, what is this? Nail. What is this? Nail. All of you, have you got nail? Has everyone got nails? N for nails. N for nails. Okay, what do you put on your nails? What do you put? On lip, you put lipstick. On nail? Yes, you put nail polish. Okay. Now, all of you tell me, should we have very long nails or small? Long nails. We should have long nails. Small. Lion has got long nails. Okay. And we should have small nails. Why? If we have got long nails, what will happen? If we are playing, you can hurt somebody. Yes? If your nails are long, please look this side. Sit. If you have got, all of you look this side. If you have got long nails and you are playing, you can hurt somebody. Yes? And moreover, when the nails are long, you play outside, the dirty things will go in your nails. And when you eat, what will happen? That dirty things will go in your stomach and your stomach will ache. Yes? So you should clean, you should keep your nails small and clean. Okay? All of you, show me your nails. Yes. So nails should be small and clean. Okay? If you have got long nails, you can hurt somebody. Sometimes somebody has got long nail and if it pokes you, then you get hurt. So always have small nails. So N for nail. N for nail. N-A-I-L, nail. Okay, now tell me, what is this? Can you see this? This. Keel. This is also called nail. This is also called nail. So, nail has got two meanings. Nail, all of you show your nails. Nail, N for nail. N for nail. Acha. N for nose. N for neck. N for nail. N for nail. Okay. Now, let's count. Start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But stop. 9. N for 9. N for 9. Okay. See. N for 9. N-I-N-E, 9. Right? N for nose. N for neck. N for nail. N for 9. Acha. Now, where do you all live? In a house? Yes. And where does the bird live? Where does the bird live? Tree. But on the tree, the bird makes something and then lives in it. What is that called? Very good. Say, stand up and say. Nest. Very good. Clap for her. N for nest. Again, N for nest. N for nose. N for neck. N for nail. N for 9. N for nest. Acha. Now see, I'll put this picture. N for nest. See. Ghosla, yes. This is called ghosla, right? Very good. N-E-S-T. Who are in the nest? Baby birds. Yes? They are there in the nest. Okay. So now tell me, who stitches your clothes? कौन कपड़े सीता है? दर्जी. Okay. And at home, and what does the darzi is called? Tailor. Darzi is called? Tailor. Now tailor, what does the tailor use to stitch your clothes? Sui. N for needle. Say N for needle. N for needle. N for needle. Okay. So N for nose. N for neck. N for nail. N for 9. N for nest. N for needle. Okay, N double E L E. Okay. Now I'll tell you a story about an elephant. Okay. So now just see, there was an elephant. Okay. There was an elephant, and there was a man. He was a tailor. Okay. Acha. Okay. So there was an elephant and there was a tailor, right? The elephant रोज हाथी जाता था पानी पीने के लिए जंगल, जब एक जहाँ ये टेलर की शॉप थी मार्केट में, his shop was in the market, और elephant every day used to pass through that shop and go to the river to drink water. How does the elephant drink water? It has got a long trunk and it fills the water in the long nose. क्या हुआ, एक बार ये जब चाहता था, ये आके एक दिन इसको पानी ने बहुत प्यास लगी एलिफेंट को. उसने बोला, इसका नाम टेलर था, टेलर का नाम था रामू काका. तो एलिफेंट ने बोला, रामू काका प्यास लगी है, पानी दे दो. तो रामू काका रोज उसको पानी दे देते थे और वो पानी पी के चला जाता था खुशी से. एक दिन रामू काका कहीं बाहर चले गए और उनका बेटा शॉप पे बैठा हुआ था एंड ही वाज स्टिचिंग द क्लोथ्स विद द नीडल. रामू काका का बेटा. तो फिर वो एलिफेंट आया, उसने बोला, रामू काका. तो इसने बोला, बेटे ने बोला, रामू काका आज नहीं है. बोले, अच्छा बेटा प्यास लगी है, पानी दे दो. तो उसने बोला, नहीं, मैं काम कर रहा हूँ. कांट यू सी आई एम स्टिचिंग द क्लोथ विद द नीडल, आई वोंट गिव यू वाटर. भी उसने बोला, हाथी ने बोला, एलिफेंट ने बोला कि प्लीज बहुत प्यास लगी है, पानी दे दो. उसको बहुत गुस्सा आया बेटे को, रामू काका के बेटे को. उसने क्या किया, उसने नीडल उसके हाथ में थी और क्या किया, नीडल को उसकी जो लॉन्ग नोज थी ना उसमें चुभो दिया. और कितनी जोर से दर्द हुआ ना. कैसे चिल्लाया एलिफेंट, ऐसी थी. इट वाज, एलिफेंट हैज गॉट अ लॉन्ग नोज एंड हाउ डिड इट शाउट, ऑल ऑफ यू शाउट. अच्छा, अब उसको आ गया गुस्सा. उसने कहा, ठीक है, तुमने मुझे आज चुभाया, मैं देखो क्या करता हूँ. वो चुपचाप गया, धीरे से एक जगह पे गंदा पानी रखा हुआ था, ठीक है, और उसने अपनी लॉन्ग नोज में वो गंदा पानी भरा और भर करके आया. धीरे धीरे आके तो जो रामू काका के बेटे के टेलर शॉप थी ना, वहां पे उसमें बहुत सारे कपड़े रखे थे. उसने ऐसे करके सारा पानी, गंदा पानी कपड़ों पे डाल दिया और सारे कपड़े तो गंदे हो गए. तभी बोला, अरे क्या कर रहे हो, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग, व्हाई आर यू जस्ट थ्रोइंग डर्टी वाटर ऑन द क्लोथ्स. फिर एलिफेंट ने बोला, देखा तुमने मुझे परेशान किया, इसलिए मैंने भी तुम्हें परेशान किया. फिर उसके बेटे ने बोला, सॉरी, अब मैं कभी तुम्हें नहीं परेशान करूंगा. तो फिर दोनों फ्रेंड्स बन गए, ठीक है. तो N for nose, N for needle, N for nest, N for nine, N for nail, N for neck, N for nose. ठीक है. So now after, okay, what comes after N now? What comes after N? What does after means? नहीं, after मतलब बाद में. After means? Please come. After का मतलब बताइए पहले. What? बाद. Before माने पहले. Before, say it, all of you say it. Before, after. What comes after N? Who will tell me what comes after N? O. Now come and write O here. Come. You'll come and write. Is it small O or big O? Draw a big O first. A big O. Big O. Capital O. Very good. And a small O. Very good. Clap for her. Yeah, good. Go. Now what is this?
Orange.
O for?
Orange.
O for?
Orange.
Orange. O for?
Orange.
Okay. O for orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. O for?
Orange.
Okay. Now, what is this?
Onion.
Onion. O for onion. O for onion. O for onion. Right. Now read this. O-N-I-O-N. O for orange. O for onion. And now what is this? Owl. Owl. What is special about owl? कोई खास बात है owl की? What is special about owl? Yes, what? क्या खास बात है owl की? What is very good? आंखें गोल गोल. Show. Come and show everyone how big the yes. All of you show how big the eyes are. Okay. And what something else also? There is something. Very good. शाम को आता है, रात को आता है. रात को नहीं, उल्टा बोल रहे हो आप. हाँ, it can see at night when it is very dark. If it is dark, can you see? Can you see when it is very dark? Can you see? No. But owl can see at night. Okay? Owls can see at night. Okay. So now O for orange. O for onion. O for owl. Okay, one of you come here and underline O. Next, beta please. Underline O. All the O's. Yes. Okay, very good. Clap for her. Now, which letter is this? N. Okay. Now we'll play a game, right? Now two tall girls come here. Tall girls. Wait. No, just wait. Just stand up. You come here. Yes, Shabash, come here. And you come. Yes. Very good. Come here. Fast. Yes. Now stand here. Both of you stand like this. Now this table, come and make line here. Make line here like this. Now you stand face to face and hold hands like this. The other hand also. Yes. Okay. Now what you'll do? You'll go like this and then wait. Let me remove these chairs. You'll take a round from here and then go. You'll come from this side, take a round and then you'll go. Wait, we'll say the poem. Stand in line. One more table can join. This table can also join. Come, you join then. Join the line. Yes, very good. Start. Oranges and lemons. Sold for a penny. All the schoolgirls are so merry. The grass is green. There's no doubt. Remember me when I'm out. Say when I'm out. Say all of you. When I'm out. Okay, you are out. Go. Now again. Start. Make the line. Start. and say the poem loudly, okay? Oranges and lemon, sold for a penny, all the schoolgirls are so many. The grass is green, there's no doubt. Remember me. When I'm out. Okay, go. She's out. Okay, last time. Now you all go. That table will. Those girls will come. Go. Now those. Yes, come. Now you will also take the round of this table only. Beta, give them some space to move. Give them some space to move. You just stand. Let them also take this. Yes. Shift little. Yes. Start. Oranges and lemons. Sold for a penny. Loudly. All the schoolgirls are so many. The grass is green. There's no doubt. Remember me. When I'm out. Okay, very good. Clap. Clap for them. Thank you. Okay, so O for orange. O for onion. O for owl. Okay, so now please stand up.